Hello everyone. In this video, we will see some things about Flexbox. Okay, so uh, you can see here we have in the body we have H1 Flexbox basics demo, and we have a div, right? So this div class is Flex container, and we have three column. Okay, column 1, column 2, column 3, and we have separate class for flex item, flex item, flex item, right? So I hope you can see the screen, right? So now we have the css as well. So what we will do, we will just separate the css from here, and we will try to understand how they actually work, right? So this is the thing, I mean, uh, and Microsoft Word. So we are just pasting things here, right? So now if we save the project, you can see this is the project now. Okay, so we have the body font family Arial's margin 20 pixel background color. So just copy this one, and so you see this font has been changed, and 20 pixel margin, right? So you see 20 pixel margin from everywhere. Okay, top bottom. So this is for the whole body. Okay, and now we have h1. H1's text align is center, margin bottom 30 pixel. So if we just copy h1, h1 text align center, text align center, margin bottom 30 pixel. So we need to for h1 text align to be centered, margin bottom 30 pixel, right? So you can see here margin bottom 30 pixel. Okay, so when you do the margin bottom 30 pixel, so there'd be a gap in, in the bottom, right? So if we just remove it, let's see the change, right? You see these columns are going up, right? Pardon my weak English, guys. Okay, and margin bottom 30 pixel. And now flex container, flex, if we take the flex container class, flex container, so display flex, when you do the display flex, let's see the change, right? So when you display flex, everything comes in the line by line. Okay, side by side, column 1, column 2, column 3, and justify content space between. Okay, so in general we usually do justify content center, but here space between. So let's see what we get with space between. You see space between, that means they are taking separate place for in the display, right? Column 1 is in the left side, and this is in the middle, column 3. So what we can do is justify content center. So let's see what we get. You see comes in the center, right? So here we will space between, space between, padding 20 pixels. So when you do the padding 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel, right? So you see padding is 20 pixel, right? Okay, so do one thing, If you inspect it, okay, so margin, border, padding, okay, padding is inside. And okay, we need to keep experiment, okay, keep experimenting, guys. And background color FFF, let's see what this is giving us. Background color FFF, so you see a white background color, and body's background is different, right? Body's background color is this one. So this is why whole body is, this color, and this is white color. Okay, and now border 2 pixel solid. So border 2 pixel solid CCC. So you see this border, right? And border radius 10 pixel. If you do the border radius 10 pixel, this is border radius 10 pixel. Okay, flex item background color, flex item background color 4CF50, uh, color white. Background color 4CF50. So I'm sorry, guys, I was thinking something else. Okay, uh, background color. Okay, we get the background color here, and when you do the color is for the texts, right? So text color is white, and padding 20 pixel. Okay, so this is being flex item, right? So if you come here, flex items are being uh, designed. So the padding 20 pixel, into the padding 20 pixel, padding 20 pixel, you see. So that means, guys, this is getting 20 pixel from every side. Okay, so this column one. So if we just remove the paddings, okay, so we don't need to, because this is something, this is easy, right? With 30%. Okay, so into the width 30%, let's see the change. Okay, so each column is taking 30%, right, of the display. And text align center, text align center, and then border radius 8 pixel, border radius 8 pixel. Okay, So I hope you guys got an idea how flex, display flex, justify content, these things work. Okay, so if we just remove this 20 pixel, let's see. Okay, so this was applied in flex container, right? Flex containers. Hmm. And if you provide this uh, again, now you can see this 20 pixel is coming here, right? Top, left, right, and from four sides. So I hope you got an idea, guys. Thank you for watching. This is not tutorial, guys. Okay, so we try to feel everything, every line.